Hello everyone, I am Sanjay from 3rd year Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. I recently participated in Rebuild Ownership Hackathon, which is a blockchain-based hackathon conducted by Deforio and other blockchain-based companies like Polybase and Dataverse. I am really interested in participating in this hackathon. That's when I met my other teammate Rana. He is from Bihar. He is good at blockchain and I am good at AI. We thought of combining blockchain and AI to form a project. That's when we came up with this idea called TriMail. TriMail is a research paper recommendation system backed up by blockchain and AI. During the process of development, we faced a lot of technical and other communication related difficulties. So we used a Discord to collaborate with each other and complete this project within the given deadline. And TriMail is live right now. You can check out in the Folio platform. Our TriMail project has won a $250 bounty under Polybase for utilizing Polybase as our blockchain network for a safe, secure transaction. I thank my Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science and our HOD ma'am for giving space and time to participate in this hackathon. And I also thank our Sri Ishwar College of Engineering for giving me this opportunity and time to compete in this hackathon. Thank you.